First of all, allow me to give you a quick demonstration of CGI. CGI stands for Computer Graphic Imagery. Any graphical designing or drawing or in general visualizing with a computer is in the CG category field. Computer graphics generally categorized into two types: raster-based and vector-based. Raster-based, also known as bitmap, in short means any image or photo made based on pixels. For example, when you take a shot with your mobile camera, or videos, or even rendering 2D or 3D is a raster image. Vector-based is made by some formulas such as a line, curve, etc. Raster images contain many details, but the major disadvantage of that is by zooming in, the image quality will be lost. On the other hand, vector images usually do not include many details, but you can scale them up without losing any quality.